So by the end of this video, you will have a complete idea how you can convert your WordPress website into a lead generation engine that can generate leads for you and follow up with them without you doing anything. And everything is going to happen in your WordPress dashboard. So the video is going to be very interesting. So without any delay, let's get started. So to make this possible, I created this free WordPress plugin, which is already went for submission in WordPress, but WordPress takes time to review it. So that's why it is currently only available on my website, and I will give you the website link in the end. So stay tuned. But let's get started, and let me give you a walkthrough of how this plugin works, so you can access it for free. So this is our dashboard of our plugin. You can see we have total 12 leads and 12 follow-ups and sequence steps free. I will tell you the whole in detail. Don't worry. So this plugin is specially made for solar installers so they can manage their leads and automate their follow-up process and they then get more results and obviously a more revenue. So here we have four things: CRM, form builder, email settings, follow-up settings, and calculator details. Let's start from CRM. You can directly go by here to in let me yeah just click on it and here you have CRM follow-up settings and all the stuff. Let's come over to CRM and form builder. In CRM and form builder we have first our CRM, mini CRM, where there is every detail of the user that the user has filled in the form, their phone number, their city, their uh, electric usage as it is for solar installers. So basically I will just in a while show you the whole form, but till then it is there, fill the details, usable roof area, roof type, and all this stuff. And let me show you now the form. So for form we will copy this short code that is here. We will just click on copy and come over to any page or create a new page. You can add this in your contact info or anywhere on any page of yours. Just come to block, sorry, just come to block, paste it, control V, and just publish it. And let me show you the page, view page. As you can see, our whole form is here, and meanwhile, uh, we just have to enter our name, email, phone, city, and all this. So this plugin can make a complete solar estimate. And here is our solar estimate. As you can see, whenever user fill a form, they will receive a email on their email, and at that they will receive this solar estimate be backed upon their data that they have given in the form. So it will say to you, hi name, thanks for getting in touch, we have received your solar inquiry and a member of our team will review your details shortly. So you can even edit this fields to your copy to. You don't need to use the same copy of the email here too. You can just simply swipe it out and I will show you that too. But this is the whole solar estimate that you can see on this. Even it is giving you 25-year projection according to your usage and your area, and everything is here. And here you have call your solar installer. It will directly open the solar installer call. So yeah, so now let's come over to our dashboard of our plugin and let me show you more things around it. So as you can see, Here is our dashboard. Now we will move to form builder. Still we have one thing left in form builder. Here we can add or change the details of the form, but the required fields, but the fields that are already marked down here are required. They must be completed. But if you want to add a custom field, like I will add message, just for the user, that if he needs something else, then he can give us a message in our form. You can make it required, not required. If you want to delete it, and so on. So this is our form builder. So now let's move on to follow-up settings. Now follow-up settings are literally amazing. In follow-up settings, you can create as much follow-ups as you want. Like as you can see here, I have this email that we have sent, and I have showed you. Now here is our follow-up step. After one day, if the user not replied, it will send them an email. If after this they don't replied, on the third day it will send them an email, and then on fifth day, and even you can add as many as you want, and even change these 1 2 3 4, any, it is all up to you. And you can even edit your follow-up copy to your follow-up script, and that's how you can use these systems. After this, we have last email settings. Here we have to add our phone number. The phone number is asking because as you see in email, we have sent them a call button. So for that, we have to enter our number on which we want to uh, have a call. And now here it is amazing. You can add any email of yours into here, and that email will send the mails and follow-ups on the behalf of you. You just have to enter your email. Let me abc@gmail.com. You can enter your email, whatever. Then you can add your from name, and here are full details. If you have Gmail, then which SMTP host you have to add, because we have to add here SMTP host. Don't take it complex. This simple, just copy paste. If you have a Gmail account, then use this. If you have Microsoft account, then use this. Zoho, Yahoo, iCloud, totally up to you. Just copy and paste. And lastly, here in password, you don't have to add your direct Gmail password or app password. Instead, you have to come over to myaccount.google.com and search here app password and create a special password for this. You can see I already created two passwords for it in testing, but for you, you only have to create one. So just give it any name, demo, and create, and don't share it to anyone, and just paste here, and you're good to go. And now just save changes, but make sure this works only for Gmail accounts, Google accounts, not for any other accounts. But if you have any other account, then just go over to my website. That's link I will give you in the description, and there you will find all the guides for each kind of email. With the help of this, you can easily send emails to your leads with your own email. And once you are done, you can hit on save changes. I will not click here because I already have to reload. And you can here try save and test connection. By this, you will get a confirmation email on your mail that your email is connected or not. If the email has came, then it is connected. If the email has not came, then it is not. And you will get this kind of email. Your follow-up engine email connection is working on your mail with the same email ID. So if you are getting this email, it means your email is now connected. If not, then there is some mistakes. And by this, you can completely send unlimited emails and follow-up mails. And honestly, it is great for solar installers as if they are busy in their work. They don't have time to follow up and send regular emails to their clients instantly, and the market is run on speed and volume. And now, if you want to get this plugin for free, then go over to my website. Link is given in description. And if you want to know the installation process, then I will just show you the installation process. First, you have to come over to plugins and come over to install plugins or add plugin, whatever you want. Click on add plugin, and once it came, just click on upload plugin. Here, upload the file that you have downloaded the from my website. You will get a zip file. Here I have multiple because I was testing multiple things, but you will get only one zip file. So just select it and open it, and now install it, and you will get the whole thing, and just activate the plugin. So yeah, that's all for this video. And now if you want similar kind of services or similar kind of systems for yourself or for your business, then do reach out to us or book a call with us. And now if you and now if you want similar kind of systems or similar kind of love. And now, if you want similar kind of service or similar kind of systems for yourself or for your business, then do reach out to us on our email or book a call with us on our Calendly, and we will help you